Hey everybody, it's Jay again. Welcome back to the channel. So given our efforts of social distancing, I tried to create some landscape images that gave a real feeling of isolation and solitude. So I made my way up to a place in Connecticut called Happy Landing. So it's a small public park. It was really windy that day, so I didn't do any talking because it wouldn't sound very good. So you won't hear me jabbering on. But listen, if you like these videos, do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Take care.